Going to learn how to design simple flyer, and our size that we are going to use for the design is 5 inches by 5 inches square. Okay, so now you click OK, then you open your background for the work. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video, share and comment, and let us know how best we can help you. So now what you're going to do is you just select your pen tool, because you're going to design a simple restaurant flyer. Yes, simple restaurant flyer. So you click here, then you stretch this up to this limit, then you limit this here, draw this line, draw that, then you join them together to make it shape. Now we have our shape. We make the color fill wine color like this, then now we can move it. Okay, so let's rotate it a little bit. Let's rotate it like this. Then we move it to this side. It's okay. Click OK. Then now you pick the shape tool, then you add stroke to it, picking yellow and making the size of the stroke to be 10.14 10.1414 like that. Click OK. So now it is here. What we are going to do now is we are going to add a background picture to this one. So you go to your images, you pick the preferred picture I want to use. Because I am doing it for catering services, I will pick some pastries, then I will use it for the background design. So let's go on top here. So I will select this image here for the background and wait a little bit for it to come. So now the pictures are here. You place it on top, click OK, then you come back to the layers here. Yeah, it is reading. Come back to layers, you put it down so that you can place it well, then hold shift and extend the picture. Yeah, so you're going to resize the picture. Either you are increasing it or decreasing it. You hold shift to prevent stretching of the picture. Now we have it here. What we are going to do now is we will add some shapes to it. When we will click on the shape tool, then we select ellipse tool. I will draw my ellipse shape here like that. This is it. So now I'll pick my stroke color and make it white. Yeah, make it white. Then I'll make it also around 9 or something like that, maybe 0.9, or move to this. Let's make it 0.10. Click. Make it 10, then click OK to it. So now it's okay. This is my ellipse shape that I just draw here. So I'll place it here, then I'll put a picture inside because it is restaurant. I'll add pastries and some jollof rice images to it so that it can beautify the picture and the design that I am just designing. So I'll pick this full design here, then I'll place it on the shape tool, hold shift, then reduce the size to fix the ellipse shape. When like that, you click OK. You come to the layer here, you right click or you double click on the layer. You right click on it, then you select create scraper mask. Now I've inserted a full image picture in this shape, so I'll duplicate the ellipse shape, then I'll pick the down one, I'll put the selection tool on it, then I'll use my move tool and drag it here. So now you can move it and place it down like this. Yes, I will do it like that, so that will be nice. Now I will go back to file. I will insert a picture in it. I will add another food to it. So let me pick noodles or some chips. Let me go back and pick some noodles to it. Yeah, so that the food, it won't be only one food on the design. So I'll pick this one, then you hold shift, reduce the size a little bit so that it can fix the ellipse shape that you drew. You click OK, you right click on the layer here, then you select Scraper Max, then create Scraping Max. Yeah, so clipping mask, you adjust it, reducing it to fix the design that you are doing. So now this is my full image. I will click OK. It is okay for now. Then I'll come back to the LF shape. I just do now, I will duplicate it, Ctrl J, or you hold Alt, then you drag it, you move it sideways like that. Okay, Ctrl Z to go back, pick the right LF shape, then you move it at the side like that. So let's push it downwards like this. Yeah, let's push it downwards like this. I'll add another picture to it by choosing African local food. I will choose African local food, put it inside. So let's go like this. Let me search for African some African local food here. Okay. Let me pick this one. So now that I've selected the picture, we will repeat our process, hold shift, then you reduce the size to fix the LF shape, you extend it a little bit so that the food will be visible on the LF shape. Okay, click OK. You right click on the layer, you select creating clipping mask like that to enter the circle. So now you can adjust this and put it down to make it nice. Let me adjust this little bit so that it will fix that. Okay, so now these are my images that I will use. Let me add another one to it. Let me add another. There's Ctrl J, move it to the sideways. Ctrl J, let's move it like that to make the design nice. So this is it. I will file, insert another picture in it. This time let me look for some jollof rice and some food. Okay, let's go down a little bit and look for very nice jollof rice and place it there. Okay, so let me select which one should I use now. Okay, let me pick this one. This jollof rice is nice. So you reduce the size to fix the LF shape like that. Click OK. Click on the image layer, right click on it, create clipping mask. You insert it inside the LF shape, then now you adjust it, reduce the image to fix the LF shape that you drew. So now everything is fine. We are designing restaurant flyer. So now let's add some shadow to the LF shape. Let's add some shadow to it. So these are the shadow we're going to do. Let's reduce the size a little bit and back this one. Reduce the opacity small. Let me increase the size a little bit to it and add opacity to it. Yeah, so I think it's okay. Let me make it 100 and see. Okay, it's all right. So now my opacity is 100, my distance is 11, and size is 21. So automatically it will go like that. So let's go back to this. I'll repeat the same process on this one. Just pick it and it will come. Click OK. You go top. I will select all the LF shape. I just place on. Click OK. You are good to go. Automatically it will fix the shadow shape for you. Click OK. Now you can see there are some designs and some differences in the picture. All right, so now what we are going to do is we are going to add a title to this picture, and I'll use a particular name for it. So I'll pick my eraser tool. And increase the size a little bit to this size and change the brush, the brush outcome to shadow like this. Then now make the size, go back and pick the particular layer you are going to use the eraser on. I will use this, pick that and click OK. Click OK. This is the shape. I'll start from here to, okay, it is too small. The size of the eraser is too small. Yes, so let me increase it to that. Yeah, so I'll just add some white background to it. So now what I'm going to do is you select your shape tool. I'll pick my rectangular tool, then I'll draw my rectangular shape here. Using this, I'll turn this off here. This two, I'm going to change the mode. Then I'll make this side 100, or let me make it 200 pixels. Then I'll change the down here to make it 200 pixels. Click OK. Change the color to wine color like that. Then I'll click OK. Select to push it at the top like that. When you push it at the top, you add shadow to it. So you double click or you right click to choose shadow. Automatically the shadow shape will come, because I've already fixed it for the design. So this, the tools I use is, the angle is 90 degrees and the opacity is 100. I have distance to be 11 and the size to be 21. So you click OK, we are good to go. You select your type 2, then you will click here. Then I'll just type Tinyasi. Yeah, I'll make it Tinyasi Catering. That's a catering services. Yeah. No, so let me change the color to white to fix the background. All right, so I'll make it white and I'll transform it to fix the shape like that. Let's push it back. So this is the name I'm using. Yeah, I'm designing for a customer. So now I think it's all right. The distance is 25. Okay, I'll use my type tool and select the business name. Then I'll add some features to it. I'll make it 50. Okay, or the 25 is okay. 25 is okay, like that. Then let's go straight to the point. Now we have the name for the business. What we are going to do now is we will add a telephone number to the design and just write some information to it. So let me add services. So this our services. Let me use our services. Let me move the layer to the top. Yeah, so this is it. I'll move it here. Right click, select, Ctrl T, then I'll open this. I'll underline it. Nice one. Click OK, and now I'll transform it to fix the size I want. Okay, so our services, I'll place it here. Nice one. Push it back a little bit to fix. Now I'll hold Alt, then I'll drag it down. Click OK, hold Alt and copy it down. Pick my type 2, right click, then I'll type Ctrl T and turn off the underline, and use the same font style to write my services. So I'll just make it pastries. Okay, right, pastries and food. Yeah, I'll change the color to yellow. Pick yellow. Like that. It's okay. So food and pastries, and we are available for all kinds of events. Then now what we are going to do is we will transform it. Set to, then move to, then we transform it to meet the necessary outline for you. So now I'll click OK and select my title and make some corrections in it. So this is all kinds of event. We are available for all kinds of events. Yep. So I'll transform it again, increase the size. Yes. Then I will move it to this side like that. I'll pick the food and push it here. Pick this event and push it here too. I'll pick my shape too and draw ellipse shape to number it, making it bulletin, yeah, white. Then I'll duplicate it, J, drag it down, click OK, Ctrl G, duplicate and move it down like this. So as you can see now, we have some changes in it. Let me stretch this side. It's okay. So what we are going to do now is I'll add telephone number to it. I'll pick my round 2 to that, like this, white color. Then I'll push it to this side like this. Then I'll increase the height. Then I'll add my number to it, any preferred number that you choose. Make it +233, make it 0, make it 555 7271 1969. Change the color mode to let me choose black, because I already have yellow and white there. I cannot choose yellow again, so let me make it black. Then now what we do is we will reduce the size, Alt Z, reduce the size a little bit like that. Then we press it here, fix the number. Alright, so now let's transform the shape. So there's a telephone number, and now we can place some logo to it. Let's go to our shapes, let's click OK, select OK. I'll search for my fast and look for this picture. This WhatsApp symbol to it. Let's push it back here, reduce it, make it small. So this is that. Now we are almost done. Let's look if you can add something to it. Okay, let's go back. Let me place some image to it. Let me look for some delivery symbol. Let's choose this cartoon. Yeah, let's pick this. Yeah, this is it. delivery services available, so that everything will be nice and unique. Right. Let me place it here, click OK. Then I'll pick my brush tool, then I'll increase the size of the brush, making it shadow like that. I'll create layer mask to it, then I'll just below the image and click on 1.2. Let me change the color to black, white like this. Then let's click and click OK. So just type here, place your order. Let's make it place your order, make it yellow. Make it yellow. Move back, then select the color. It's okay. So just transform it. Just place it here. Place your order. And it's okay now. So what we are going to do, we can make it simple because I can see there are a lot of spaces in here. Let's close this space. Let's edit it a little bit. Ctrl T, and you open this. Here is 25. Let's make it 0 to close the gap. Now the gap is in closing. Let's reduce this to 10. You see, yeah. So it's okay. Now it's fine. Let me draw some the shape to it. Some ellipse tool. It is all right. Yeah, it's all right. So now we are done with the services. We have TRC catering services, our services, pastries and food, all available for all kinds of events. Then place your order. This is a simple restaurant. Thank you for watching this tutorial on YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and always leave your comments so that we can help you. Thank you for watching. God